Hi, today we're going to be doing the installation for the bracketing to install the hardtop canopy on the Pursuit 2. Tools that you are going to need are going to be a 13 millimeter wrench or socket, a 4 millimeter Allen wrench, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and optional, you can use an impact gun if you have one. Okay, so the first step in the installation, we're going to start in the front where we're going to remove this cover with the number 2 Phillips. Remove that cover, and then we're going to start installing the front bracket for the windshield. All right, so first thing you're going to do here after you take that cover off is we're going to take the 13 millimeter bolt, and we're going to then just get it started and attach it. Once you get it started, you want to keep it loose so that you can have some movement, because the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to attach the plate underneath, and you're going to want a little bit of wiggle room to line up the holes accordingly, and so that you can get your bolts in, and then after all that you can tighten it down. Okay, so now that I've finished installing the bracket from underneath and bolting this bracket on, I tightened them down, because now you can tighten them and make sure it's really solid and secure, because now you're going to put the front plate on, which is going to cover it. Okay, so you're going to use your Phillips screwdriver, and just to make sure, you're going to have two long screws, and you're going to have 2 short screws. The 2 long screws go on the top, the 2 short screws will go on the bottom. Okay, now that we've finished installing the front bracket, we're going to move to the rear, and what you're going to do is we're going to use flathead screwdriver. We're going to pop these caps and then line up the bracket, center it in the hole, and attach it with the 2 bolts with the 13 millimeter socket. Okay, so now we've finished installing the back bracket, tighten down our hardware. You will now proceed with attaching the hardtop canopy assembly on top of the Pursuit 2.